In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and correctly install French herringbone flooring with a 5G lock system. The subfloor must be even and free of any dirt or debris. Lay out the A planks and B planks separately. This will speed up your work. Carefully fit the planks together, then lock the 5G joint from above. Continue adding the next planks in the same way, making sure the ends line up perfectly. Snap it in the next row. When working backwards while laying the French herringbone, remember to add the panels along the long edge first, then carefully fit them to the short edge, snapping them in from above. Using a pin for 5G joints. If you made a mistake or want to disassemble the floor, insert the pin into the 5G joint at the panel connection. Next, lift the panel with the upper latch of the joint. Do not use force when disassembling. This way, you can disassemble the French herringbone in both directions. Laying the French herringbone backwards. In certain situations, you'll need to lay the French herringbone by locking into the previous joint. To do this, gently slide the panel under the joint along the longer side. Then close the joint on the shorter side by snapping it in from above.